Abdulsalam, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see this trophy, yes, this is the trophy of SLC competition, means UCMAC state level competition. I got this trophy, yes, of first runner up in 6th level. So these trophies are like first to fifth runner up, first, second, third, fourth and fifth runner up, and champion trophy is also there, and the medals, runner ups are distributed according to the your category and your group, which is depends on your age and your level. Like I am in 6th level, so my category is F1 and like that. So today I'm going to tell you about this competition. There are three types: visual, listening and flash. As you already know about listening and flash, I'm going to tell you about visual. It means written competition. So this is my 6th level sheet. Actually it has 200 sums, 100 sums at front side and 100 sums at back side. We have to do this 200 sums in only 8 minutes, but it is not compulsory to do all the sums. Okay, so as I'm in 6th level, there are 100 sums of addition and subtraction and 100 sums of means 50 sums of multiplication and 50 sums of division. So 100 sums of multiplication and division. Now each sum of addition and subtraction carry 2 marks, and each sum of multiplication and division carries only 1 mark. Okay, so as you can see, but like 4th and 5th and 6th level, this level students only have 100 sum of addition subtraction and 100 sums of multiplication and division. But some lower levels like first, second, third, these level students have totally 200 sums of addition and subtraction. So friends, I am very happy with my this achievement, and I hope that you like my this video and informations. So bye friends.